Welcome to this beautiful home located in the golf course community of Cross Point. Are you dreaming of a maintenance-free life but don't want your house attached to your neighbors? This single-family home is for you. The association does full-service lawn care, from cutting and trimming to fertilizing and twice-yearly mulching. If that weren't already enough, they also clean your gutters and downspouts, do snow removal, replace your roof, you read that right, window maintenance, power washing, and much more. From studs out, you'll be amazed at how far your money can go as you enjoy maintenance-free living at its finest. Entering this wonderfully kept home, you are welcomed into a spacious open floor plan with LVP flooring throughout most of the downstairs. The large kitchen boasts upgraded stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a huge pantry, and plenty of cabinet and countertop space that will delight your inner chef. Off the main living space is a private staircase that leads to the fourth bedroom, also perfect for use as a man cave/office. The laundry room is conveniently located downstairs off the garage past the private staircase. Located on the main second floor are 3 spacious bedrooms, most notably a huge primary bedroom with vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet with upgraded custom closet system, and a recently renovated, breathtaking primary bathroom. The primary bathroom has an oversized shower, Bertch cabinets with a beautiful countertop and premium porcelain flooring. It's an absolute dream. The second bedroom and third bedrooms are nice sized, and one even has a walk-in closet of its own. There is